shaina twena eshongora konka ineva bya kuteka umcheshongore echi sai nga tiyawa ya bulisho asa moja
Anyways, nuko yabaza kuba nategitaho ngokutaza bagambire all the way ko Gachigezi representing Western Ugandan music at large konka omuka wine kwebembeza mnonga Gachigezi kandi chairperson wa
beshongozi ba
Gachigezi ahayo NMF
kandi representative wa all female artists in Western region.
Wow. So in everything sababu ya hakachiko. That is something very very beautiful. Tutatanka program na vibe ya mani na latest release yayine hamwe na sister weye Ankansime cheshongo rabona na change koreche mwekurunje mnongo de chiriyo mitware eshatu.
Atezanje tuwazda ho
amande chiriyo mitware eshatu wagitaho 15k so tuyo nturumbu mitwaro ketanu mukaga almost. So cheshongo mantwase kwamba chore kala 5 days ago konka ravunorengwa riyo anwajore chiracho mwe kurunji mnonga bazora msiye abariyo mbatore ba TV wast
Keij horo nagundi oragamba cyo mureba murunje wa TV West. How are you? Mwe bare kubaho mukuriko no mwaka mwe bare kutagira mukandaganisa ku nkoro wa kabi mwe bare ku nkoro wa kabi.
This is the first interview you're having this year?
Yes, actually since by people.
Since about people.
Yes, since
Mr. DJ was at
and even in Chebebe I wasn't here.
Yeah.
So mwe bare munonga kwicirize bimwandaganisize na nyamani ndatekagamo ebirebi ndarya makoroni tinchajyaga kahunga kinji nendaga ngusayize inji cendeze kwenda nazaga ha stage nduge ho muhagire mushemerirwe. That's all I can do.
Ashate ngo batakwaga
ndanatandika kuzina byatandika kubonera ntandike kwisiza mu mato konko mwana yacucire so tacharogwe kwaso.
Okay, Shane, before atakagezere mbishongoro byawe na nishaba ubanza to break injira down copyright already done hina bya yatwireho but since audio mwe abarukushitama ahakachiko nijiriwe nobo information nunji mnonga kandi valid. So danisha to break injira down as a point examples as batwire, how will it work?
Ejo kwazabyo neje shonga ya copyright ni Kamukaga na mwenda aho yemerire eco rareba uhikire Daniel yaba hikire from where he's standing omwe shongozo mucyaraso butagira ki ubutabonamo konka nanye from where I am standing eraza kutuyamba nenda kugamba mazima mingi
ngagambe sure because people need to know. People need to know.
What am I saying? Naza kuza mu studio kukore cheshongoro ndabanza nayebuza konka producer go undi kuza kukora nawe namuhereze mitwaro mwenda kankorera audio echeshongoro chaika ha TV West because now that you people are going to have to pay us muraba mwine kuchenchura and you play cream dera cream.
Yeah, true.
So owe mitwaro mwenda audio araza kwebuza tkonka nashohozechi na bachiteka ha rurembo ha meza nebindi byeshongoro baraza kucihamu. So do you know what this copyright is going to give us? A very competitive industry that is giving out good music.
Cream de la cream.
Cream de la tachari mebyani anko wa Anthony because ezinesete za vision group story gamba wachenga you will play a song only if it's good because these meetings zaza kuba humanya mu office ati baraguma babete mubanze mwayanjura erizo baturenda kushashura beshongozi habwenshi mwateka heki na neki. So nyowe oyemerire hano nyowe ruhiro muzano go mu industry chaza kunyamba obari kuchenge kigamba because turaruha you invest so much omcheshongoro oza kwika hasho oreba wa mweshongozi yaza stage ya telebye shongoro munana byine sound efire iwe ine sound ebonire konka hakuba ino buzare na MC when you are yeshong. So this thing is going to help only the serious one to go through. Honestly,
and
instead of producing 10 songs in a year which are mediocre oragumara bikaho ebyeshongo sete zora kwese byeshongoro bina zikore cheshongoro kimwe ninga bibiri konka cyo mugasho eco ramanyangora aza kuryaho ngene shati nanda manyango toraryeho tindarya ngiki nanda kishohoza. Do you understand? That's what I'm saying. From where Daniel is standing ahikiri konga nanyo mweshongoza hunyeme mbye shikubuze ni nyamweshongozi muhango munonga ngwe zishaha copyright yazo burizo ba TV statere cheshongoro canje. Of course not. Why do you think I'm supporting it? Also we have seen incidents tibihama turamanya beshongoza batire za hiti bakeshongora but because bakamara imyaka 2 bateshongwire byeshongoro bicyatambura nerizo babicatambara bacabitera abana ati bine cyo kurya because bamazire emyaka 2 batareshongora konka bicayitera.
Now for example
Masanyalaze
kujuha ya Western Uganda esheshongo katindati if it yetar stage
tindatine ekitenje cyandaba echeshonge cyabachitera mu bara ayibambe twena yamawe konka hari tayine cyo kugira ki tayine cyo kurya yet eji copyright ya passinga orashanga ngo nyensa oba ndiho oba tindiho my child will be like eshima wakakora. So kiraza kuyamba the mature minded ones, kiraza kuyamba the serious ones. Then hari horiya warenda ngo yayeshongora mu kastense niko wabo yaraba mu buryo masyurize titurashana we nico kiroto cye yaraye nakaya ariko kureba boma biyo za baruni baziturise bajengu serebu. That's why it is not mandatory. You can go ovimbe byawe byo ari kuvimba konka musha hotagizire ki otinemu rero nyowe okuvimba kurasa kundemerera kwezanje zona ndi kuzita mu music konko mushaho umwana wanje mukayine cyo kugira ki ayine cyo kuri.
Then you know aho tinkumanya nbaza kuba ningira imwenka committee because tukugira ngo yomari nakufuna clip ninga shibyo mari na watching numuza kufuna time uje kuno ya sensitizing abeshongozi ba creatives.
Of course, now one thing you're not realizing is already tibakatwesiri kutugambira
imwe bari ya committee.
Yes, itamageza kutwine nagaba ku rubitu bari yabagere ku meeting the president. So anytime now mpuri the rumors mukubo they are going to call us and sensitize us kwenda ngwanye tativest ntatandika kubiha no kubeherera abantu.
Okay, nijama basakwana muchemanyira je kurunje mnonga ngubaza kuveta babashitamise nabe batacengere babase kuba ano barabiramu ekintu kiteke a level individual. Now let's go musical. Echeshongolo Mr. DJ, echeshongolo ha tine DJ atine if you know abeshongozi promotion. I think my idea here Ageihangwe, but it was something beautiful. Soundtrack and
actually very many people thought it was his alone
because TikTok.
And now I've had DJs calling and saying I want you to do me a song. That's the way.
Why did you get the inspiration?
I wanted your attention
and you got it.
I wanted your attention. I'm tired of murarebe byeshongoro birungi. Please listen irugahasimu Iceman murarebe byeshongoro birungi mwange kubikora aha kuba titubahire sete ha kuba shayiniti yanterire aha kuba tinda mumanya muri akanshanga mu barati ya nyakura but I am not God. I cannot be everywhere and talk to everyone. Do you understand? So what I did was okay ababantu reka mbishuse ngo ndikweshongoraga kandi mubere mutamperukire mu dansoro mwe mumanyiririza wabandi bicezera buzabuza mwe mutaherukire bya naje ntatkankatere nyowe kandonde munaronda nabuza no kubuza mazima kuwo kubona inkoko tarabwina kawe either kachariyo enamba yawe mburire ninga chikonka nkaba. I had like 70 names of Western Uganda. I even had those from Kampala, the scatters and lowers and
everything. What you got chidansoro nkoko wacheta and you know like to doing that kind of genre.
Music is sweet. Music is my food. I have missed stage so much. And going on stage and singing Owabandi and singing in Chebebe, chira nyereka vibe y'abantu baramisinga. Shine omchigori yo watandikire. And also, maybe, just maybe, let's call it a rumor. I'm planning something. So, ninyenda, when that day kuririsha, mwe shibugi mwe kwari kora shonyo na jiko atimirije. Nabgenda bachira. Mwayanga, I would fetch you traditionally to my show. So ninyenda ngobo bwire bwahika kucho kwija kubaho bani next year oba no mwaka ogura kuri to next year nagira nti ngenda kuteka nkakasho nko mu sitting room yo wanje abantu batagira riyo nakweshongora oburimi. And I'm releasing another song after 2 weeks. Every 2 weeks I'll be releasing a song until the day when I will decide I'm going to make a show. Akuba ninyenda kuba nyine waka ninyenda ngo tukora bururu buryomwe mu periste bimurenda kureba stage and it will be live performance.
Okay, and then Mr. DJ, when are we getting the video, official video?
Orahigwa byamera. We are working like but because makato asa kuja to shine. You see, I understand you are mother, you are suffering. You come tomorrow, I am giving you free video. How now when it was
Anyways, Shine, So before you know it, there is a video y'ekyeshongoro, boom, Rwabona. Na nindaba mu comments za YouTube.
Tochikola.
Buli omwe anagira ati if you know, you know. So where do you guys get the inspiration? You and a sister wawe sit down and you're like, you know what? Let's create this craft.
Shockingly, Rwabona was written last year in May. In April.
Kama de signs.
No. Also, I we don't sing for ourselves. If it was for us singing for ourselves, I would have a song for Junior by now because I love my son so much.
And then for starters, Shine,
yes.
Details. What does the word Rwabona mean? Because
surprisingly, Rwabona was a caretaker. Turi bato munonga tura kabare mu town. Akabara tura mu cyaro witu mparo ari waratura mu nju yo mu cyaro. Rwabona umushija bamwita Rwabona inangwa yija yafa. Wirira. So Rwabona is a household name at home. He is Rwabona, a very funny man. So but it means Rwabona for everyone. Rwabona like for everyone. So when I say Rwabona for everyone, so it can sit well with a cheat. A man who is not faithful, a woman who is not faithful. I think. Ngozina. That's Cinderella dance.
Okay, let's get back to the song.
Wow.
Okay, last year in May.
No, for the record, Anna and I have like 7 songs together.
Wow.
But you know, okuyanda ndatandika kweshongora ekyeshongora kinakozire nawe ndajachika kiri kimwe kigezi owitumuka chonka. And it wasn't even so out there because she wasn't an artist yet. I had no business pushing and everything because nihonta ncheno kucheshongora stage. Then now Rwabona is the second piece, but we have so very many songs. It's just that Rwabona fit the moment. You understand? Yeah. And nkokuna kugambira, I have a plan of releasing a song every 2 weeks. I had to release a song in 2 weeks, and we had Rwabona. It was finished, and it just happened to be Cinderella's moment to dance.
Tugaruke yo kachomu industry ya Kigezi. Inyuma tura video urukwereka utachirizana na your fellow artist Amana Maniga. Chikanchi ugarichi.
Anisa kachukora after showing abirenduho. Valentine's Day. I also happen to be in Kabale. So following day, I'm seeing the video. I'm like, what really went down? What really happened?
Mama Juni.
No.
Mama Juni tagara mogera ko national TV.
Tagara mu amasanya. Agange ngagani.
Mama Juni.
Amasanya ziganje tindangam.
Mama Juni.
Yo. Have I ever attacked a fellow artist? Ever?
No.
Ever. No manyanyo ni mbasa kwegura na company yo nanti hamutwe njegure. Yo nanti njegure hamutwe, but a fellow artist.
You respect that?
Never. So by the time I come out to speak on Suseko kandi kumanyangu wandenga, I've not said naya abayimbi neda. I have said your 2 names of I have given you a majuta just so you can leave me alone. I don't want to get into details, but I'm not a mad person. Ngundabanja honfe kuyomba nyinga nyiruke hati no nyirukize. You understand? So the fact that I came out and said what I said means I had a reason. I had a reason. And if it was misguided or Chamuka katara chimanya, I would have gotten a response, but he didn't because he didn't want me running my mouth because I can run my mouth.
Changes.
From where? From them? From him?
From the message you delivered.
No, me, I delivered the message. Yes. It's up to them for it to fall on loam soil or sand soil. Yes.
Tugaruke acheshongoro Rwabona, you know, nadibamu Tare.
Yeah, my brother. Studios. Niwe ya shooting nenche bebe. So this song eriho ba producer babiri.
That is
eriho Andy Music and Walter White. Walter White is so talented. Nkozere nawe byeshongoro biri kwijamana zako
I'm talking about Walter. Hinakagoma kana uromle cheshongoro South African, very fussy vibes.
That's what we wanted. That's what we wanted. Kandi nyowe tindi mweshongo zoragambira producer kora beat nyishi. turashitama hasi tukore hamwe turashitama nyo ndakunda kuko ndandena ngo ngeno cijure meche shongoro because if I don't like a song I won't perform it well. So ndandena ngo menda chikuna want to own it. So it was Walter White, then and the music bari kukora mu studio ya Tare. And Tarema shot the visualizer you people watched.
Tarema, that's Tare.
Tare, yes. Yeah. He shot the visualizer, and I'm going to be working with him a lot. Why would I give my money to someone else when my brother is a magician?
Okay, so Maka, we are expecting, to see something. Shayona nokuba no Teresa Detsi. See what it is? See what you
are putting emotions.
But you deserve it.
You don't have to put emotions.
She has been here.
But I think it's got a
2 shows. I had KTC. I was the first artirist. Okumbireeba owabandi kora live show ya bandi abandi bachatero budo CD. Remember that hit 2015 KTC album launch. Full House. 2016 nazo with Kabale. Na akoro buri mi concert. Twaboga. Nata.
So
I don't know if it's this year yet or next year. I hope it works. I'm still praying about it. Chamuka maranyoreke nico ndabagambire. Rero mwabura.
Okay, Shine ebigambo byamuheru ningashi kincho nico kwenda kora byaho abantu abatakarebero abona tunza kukibatera base kuba nabakireba akohereza views zabo bazihereze.
Ejo kubanza chabyona as the chairperson of Chiga ndenda kweta abeshongozi mwena abararuga Kigezi mwije mwehandikise mu joining association yetu hakuba hari ebintu bironje. You do not lose kare. Let's say tihariyo muramwa turenda ko kurye sete. We are not like Kibwetere. We will not close in a house and ban you. You come and join and sit and wait.
Watch.
Instead of you not joining, dero mutigwija gwagwa gukarimwa kukugwa. Yes.
Aro promoter akaruga Kigezi. Yagira ngo office mukaji.
That was Monk.
Promoter Monk kiguro mu rundugumwe yakinga na hata bakasimura muga.
Ati noreba tindakore murimo gwanyu yo the journalists. So when someone comes here and says Chiga's office is not open, I expect you, my darling journalists, to go and find out because it is not hidden. It is actually in town. Go and check. Come and tell
me.
Okay,
Monk tuja.
No, echurunjeri ya akani chairperson. Wachireba, eka akijaringe abantu umuntu yari yoko mu Kigezi. Akuja ngo mwana, me I don't believe these people come outside akagambe chinane. So afuna muntu nkogu kandi chairperson kambwe omwe omba board members wa federation. Nabaye ne kuchiyeja akakora ki?
Because already Shine yajangubije bihanditse. Bamchangwanka.
Turi Kabale officer yo mu Kikoreje. Mu Kikoreje nimpango Kabale mu Kikoreje abakabale bahacenga. Enyuma ya Ursense Church Argejo Street. Office nimpangere chapache. Ngo chiriho Chiga. And we are open Monday to Friday every week. Come and register yourself. Nyowe echintarenda no kurira ngo nkabantara chimanya that no. So me naza kuba ndije ndabagambira amazima nyo waganje. Then abandi nabo bije babahechane cyabo. Then iwe omweshongozi you decide on your own aho renda kuza. Wareba ngo monke biyagamba kweri ni byebyo don't join. Konka wareba ngo konka because already the members who are in the association wo yine show turakupanjiramo because bakatuhasete ezi twakozera office zashagire twakora musako kandi tucabanja government billionaires haza nazo zija twineho ati debi ndi kugamba isi come and join then Shine
next association mukasheshe pe chief
I had mbo ana katandika kweshongora twatandika federation. Thank you for not asking me that question because I will again send you to her YouTube channel oza yorebe cyashongoro cyecho kubanza necho mwakachi federation neyo mwakachi ebye buzo nkebyo nibyo ndantare na ngumwe
ati echitwa trenda wachimara moko wahoro uwashitama kandi wahora echungi byona asa yakorachi.
The problem is you thinking kutibaramanya ngwe bijira hakagamba nigo mazimage. They know the truth. Okay. They were just born opposers, but they know the truth. I'm telling you, they know hakuba tinka hwehura nagaho anything about Chiga or UNMF. It is out there in the light.
Okay.
It is you who decides to say Shine is tall and very slim. Yeto arachimangu ndi mugufi kandi ndi mahanga. Neshukukorera iki.
Okay, so Chiga abantu officially abanjure cyeshongoro abona bagambire nayiba kwasa kuchanga bakuchendo mbwinji then no mutakwenda kwereza business hakwasa kwiya.
Business.
Ahonora atandise ayo kako nichiko desende chashayina.
mwebare kandi mwebare munonga. Thank you so much abantu ba Western Uganda. Na n'abashesha batari kuturo muri Western Uganda. Mwebare kunkora owakabi. Honestly speaking, I want you to think of a scenario where oryo mweshongozi wamare myaka 3 otarashohoza cheshongoro chona. Wagaruka washoze byeshongoro bishatu watandika kubona emirimo. Iroko gendo humare myaka 3 garuke te yabakweta.
Bye bye.
Ekindi gambo likukicenga. Thank you so much for loving the brand Shine Omukiga mukakunda katemba yanje mukakunda runa rwanje rutarahunama mwebari kunkunda ha TikTok nenshi mwangira ngo ngamba giki muri kunshekera.
Gamba teno bakuzibira.
Munami. Shus. Mwebare kukunda music yanje mwebare kumpa amabaga because of owabandi. I cannot thank you people enough. Thank you so much for requesting for my song. Mwebare munonga kureba video ya Rwabona emutubire turaza nko kushwara uramanya kwishongora na ana aza keshongoro kakanga kubonera yamawe mbire ndaza nko kushwara nico nturanga ntinire kushoza nawe cyeshongoro mwebare utashwaza mukakunda Rwabona mutababa Rwabona muzayo mushube mukarebe mukasharinge mukadedicate injire ba Thomas Bona hubari wacha nchite no
urabona kwa kari muce muringo
no bobarese wagamba reka mbeka kumsincha sente nare bizina hija Thomas nibwe kani mangu nugo play the song. Shiny. Oh my God.